Be honest. How many times have you checked your email today? 10, 20, 50? If your inbox feels like it's running your life instead of the other way around, you're not alone. But what if I told you you could spend 50% less time in your inbox starting today without dropping the ball, without missing anything important, and without making your boss think you disappeared? Stick with me because I'm about to share the secret schedule that will change how you use email forever. And later, I'll even show you a little Outlook trick that locks this schedule into your calendar automatically. Think of it like setting up guardrails for your brain. Here's the truth. Most people treat email like an all-you-can-eat buffet. They graze all day long, nibbling here, sampling there, and by the end of the day, they still feel hungry. And by hungry, I mean overwhelmed. You've touched 147 emails, but you haven't actually finished anything important. Meanwhile, your real priorities are still sitting on your to-do list, looking at you like neglected puppies. The problem is simple. Email is not your job. It's a tool for communication, for collaboration, but not the star of the show. So how do you stop living in your inbox and start leading again? That's where the secret schedule comes in. Instead of living in your inbox 24/7, you only need to check it 3 times a day. That's right, 3 short checkups, and each one takes just 10 to 15 minutes. Here's how it works. Before you dive into your day, scan your inbox. Look for fires, true emergencies. Flag anything that needs attention. But here's the key. Don't get stuck replying to everything yet. Just triage. If you want to know more about how to triage, watch this video. Do this triage again midday, maybe right after lunch. In 15 minutes, you'll have cleared the deck and kept things moving without losing half of your afternoon. This is your inbox cool down. Sweep through new arrivals, clear the easy stuff, and make notes for tomorrow. That way, you log off with peace of mind and your inbox doesn't haunt you all night. Now, I know what you're thinking, but Michelle, my job requires me to be in my inbox all day. And yes, if you're in customer service or IT support, you may need to check more often. But as a leader, 3 focused checkups are usually more than enough. Any more than that, and you're not managing your inbox, you're babysitting it. And here's the magic. When you shift to this rhythm, your inbox becomes a supporting actor, not the star of the show. Now, let me show you how to put this into practice, because let's be honest, good intentions are nice, but unless it's on your calendar, your inbox will pull you back in like quicksand. Here's how to block your inbox time in Outlook. Go to your calendar and click New Appointment. Title it something like Inbox Checkup. Set it for 10 to 15 minutes. Choose Recurrence, Daily, and Weekdays only. Repeat this for your midday and end of day checkups. Now your calendar literally tells you when it's email time and when it's not. You're building guardrails that protect your focus. And the best part, once it's scheduled, you don't have to think about it. Your inbox has a place in your day, not control over your entire day. So let's recap. Instead of grazing all day in your inbox buffet, you're moving to a 3-course meal, morning, midday, and end of day checkups. Each one short, sharp, and intentional. Do this and you'll start spending 50% less time in your inbox starting today. That's not theory. That's a transformation you'll feel by the end of this workday. And if you're ready to go even further, I created a micro course called Inbox Reset. Inside, I'll teach you my 3-step daily routine to cut inbox time in half and keep it that way. So stop letting email run your life. Try the secret schedule and take back your time today.